Hello, this time it's me again. Do you remember me? So this time it's this strawberry. It's poop, which is very good. This time I got this. Half a sphere. It smells like the other ones, like regular. I have this one. Sushi. Not as sensitive. This time, I have kind of a mushroom. Mushroom, can you see it? Has a star. Smells like old. It's bread. This time, I have this piece of chunk bread. Ooh. Blue things around it. Can you see the whole thing? Now, we got this. Really fast rising. Smells like lime. This one's kind of fast rising. This one's very fast rising. Now I have the big birthday cake. Very kind of fast rising. Has strawberries on the top, mixed up. Okay, see, like strawberry, vanilla, strawberry, vanilla, strawberry. Have this one again. Smells very good. Now this kind of croissant kind of smells like the same thing. Have this very fast rising donut. Did I show this? This one's very good. I like this one so much. Vanilla going around and around and around. And then here is one again. It has a star on, very fast rising. Bread, donut. It's kind of like this one because it has a star like this. Then, now I have this. Again, you know it. Purple things, chocolate, and the vanilla. Lemon frosting. I think that's it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.